So next lesson is new lesson, types of chemical reaction. It is an important lesson because so in this lesson they will ask maximum question, most probably they will ask problems in this lesson. So before starting this lesson, first we will see what is will be chemical reaction. So chemical reaction means one or more reactant converted to one or more products. So one or more reactants converted to one or more products are said called as chemical reaction. So familiar example, photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, carbon dioxide plus water vapor present in the air in the presence of light to form glucose along with oxygen. So in this case, three reactants combine to form two products. That's why in a chemical reaction, one or more reactants converted to one or more product. So example is photosynthesis. Even rusting of iron is also an example for chemical reaction. In this chapter, we are going based on this. We are going to study nature and types of reaction. Nature and types of reaction. First, we will see nature. So we have already seen what is a chemical reaction. Chemical reaction means one or more reactants is converted into one or more products. So what will happen during the chemical reaction? Three things will happen. One is reactant is converted into products. Second is in this reaction bond breaking takes place. Bond breaking and bond formation takes place. And third one is when bond breaking absorbs energy. When bond breaking absorbs energy, in bond formation released energy. So this step is important, always remember this. In bond breaking it absorbs energy, in bond formation it releases energy. Next is to represent chemical reaction. So to represent chemical reaction, textbook they given same example I am here. In textbook they given react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide along with water. So in this case reactants is methane and oxygen. Product is carbon dioxide and water. So this equation is word equation. So you have to write in chemical equation. So chemical equation means in the simple representation we should write. So methane formula is CH4. Oxygen already we know O2. Combined to form carbon dioxide CO2 plus H2O. So this is a chemical equation, but this equation is incomplete equation. Why this equation is incomplete means it is not balanced. You see, left hand side number of oxygen 2, but here it is 3. Left hand side number of hydrogen is 4, here it is 2. So we have to balance this equation. So balance this equation. So left hand side number of hydrogen is 4. So when you put 2 here, 2 2s are 4. So hydrogen is balanced. But oxygen left hand side is 2, Right hand side you see 2, 2 into 1, 2. So total number of oxygen on right hand side is 4, left hand side is 2. So when you put 2 here, 2 2s are 4. So oxygen is balanced. So then you check with carbon, carbon 1 balanced, hydrogen balanced, oxygen balanced. So this equation is a complete equation because the equation is completely balanced. The reactant and products are equal. So always remember in the writing representing chemical equation, left hand side are called as reactants, right hand sides are product. So meaning for positive means if 2 or more reactant means you have to place positive sign in between. If 2 or more reactants, you have to put positive sign. Same way for product. If 2 or more product means 1 or more product means you have to put positive sign in between the products. So what is this arrow indicates? This arrow indicates direction of reaction. That means reactant is converted into product. So it tells about the direction of equation. Arrow indicates direction of equation. So now we get a complete equation. CH4 plus 2O2 gives CO2 plus 2H2O. So it is a complete balanced equation. So in this equation, suppose we have to mention physical statements, you have to mention the physical statement subscript. So methane is a gas, so put gas in this G. G gas. S means solid, L means liquid, G means gas. Oxygen, obviously we know it is a gas, so put gas symbol in subscript. Carbon dioxide is also a gas. In this case, water is a vapor, so it is in gaseous state. So this in a balanced equation, you have to represent the physical state also. So based on this, they define the chemical equation as a balanced chemical equation is the simplified representation of a chemical reaction which is chemical composition. Chemical composition means balanced. Both the left hand side and right hand side become equal. And physical state of the reactant, already we mentioned S means solid, L means liquid, G means gas. So you have to mention the physical state of the reactants and the products and the reactant conditions. It tells about it is a definition for balanced chemical equation. So always remember when you are writing the chemical equation, you have to represent the physical state. If necessary, you mention the subscript. Otherwise, you balance the equation, that's enough. So next we will see types of reactions. So nature of reaction is over. Next we will see types of